Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Zebronics Smart Wi-Fi Cube indoor camera, the Zeb Smart Cam 100. You can see what the indoor camera looks like. This is a Wi-Fi camera for indoor use. There's some information on this side. There you can see it says that over here you can see it's written that this particular camera has a 12 megapixel sensor, can record H.264 video, has advanced motion detection, has two-way audio, has a micro SD card reader up to 128 GB and supports Android and iOS devices. Now let's open this box and take a look inside. There we are. Right at the top you can see the camera, and we have this one document over here as well. Get this out. So there you go. First off, we have a user manual for the Zeb Smart Cam 100. You should read it at least once. I'm going to keep this over here. Now let's take a look at the wires. This is a micro USB charging cable. There you can see a micro USB charging cable. And this is the Zeb Smart Cam Wi-Fi Cube indoor camera. Okay, what do we have here? So this is not much of a swivel really, but over here you can see that there is a 180-degree swivel that you can get with this particular camera. There are some wall mounts over here, so you can mount it to a wall. There are also these anti-skid stops, so you can place them on a flat surface as well. And it's pretty tight, actually doesn't move, it doesn't skid very easily. Okay, do we have anything over here? Okay, there is a reset button right over here. You can see you can turn this around. I think the purpose of turning this around is to access the different ports. So over here you have this is the SD card slot as mentioned earlier, and if I keep turning some more you will see this is the micro USB charging port, and this is the two-way mic over here as well. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Zebronics Zeb Smart Cam 100. Thank you for watching.